Hello, YouTube. Apparently, I've achieved 227 subscribers. How the hell I did that, I have no idea. But thanks to you guys, I have a channel that's getting bigger. What am I gonna report on? I'm gonna do a little weekly, monthly, yearly, whatever report, and just set up videos. I'll tell you what's going on. Just in case you're wondering, why do I have a video coming every day? Well, at one point I had shitty internet, and it took me like one day to upload just one video. And I can edit a couple of videos a weekend, so I just, videos kept piling up. I couldn't upload them fast enough. So I just put them on the side and just kept editing them and just uploading whatever I could. So I had a whole list of them. Then Starlink came along, and what is it? I signed up for Starlink in February of 2021. I think it was February 5th or something. I don't know what it was. Anyway, I got a message in August. It was August, September, October, August or September saying your kit is ready. And I'm like, what? So I paid the ferryman the money I needed for my Starlink kit, which was funny because my debit card, I had no money that weekend. So I was like, I'm gonna have to wait like 2 weeks for this shit or something, or I'm gonna lose the kit. So I had to wait a week. But I didn't have to wait a week because I went to try my US Visa debit card, and I guess my bank loves me. They just take the money out of your account and negative your account. And if you don't pay it in 5 days, if you don't put it back in 5 days, after that it's $5 a day. So I may have paid a few extra bucks, but I got the Starlink kit in 3 days. I got that thing. I unboxed it, put the thing on the roof, waited. Excellent internet. I was getting 5 megabits download and 1 megabit upload. Now I got about, I don't know, anywhere from 20 to 150, 180 megabit download, and God knows how much upload. A 3-minute video used to take me 10 to 12 hours. Now it takes me 3 minutes if I'm lucky. 10-minute video, about 20 minutes. So I all of a sudden start uploading a ton of videos, and I figured out how to edit them, like, just my way. I'm not making movies, so it's garage stuff. You either edit out the junk you don't see, so it's not complicated. I'm not like adding fancy movie scenes, or I got to record shit just right here. So I had about, I don't know, a ton of videos backed up, and I uploaded them all. So right now, as it stands, I have a video waiting, scheduled every day until February 8th. It's going to be even bigger because there's more coming. And as I make more, I'll just keep dumping more on there. Eventually, I'm going to get to the point where I'll have like maybe 2 or 3 videos, and but I always try to keep ahead with videos. So the videos you're going to see in February were recorded in the summer, and I just keep putting them. I've been putting shorts in between and stuff, but it's easy. I come here all the time and do stuff. So I just record and throw it up there. When I get a chance to edit them, it's usually if I'm an hour or two. It takes me not too long, because I put the beginning in, I put the ending in, I put the words in, which you see all the time. Beginning, middle, end. I go through it, and like I had a 26-minute refrigerator chop video that I cut down to almost 10 minutes. It was just like, who the hell wants me to walk back and forth? Every dead space I cut out of there, and even more. So that's pretty much what's happening with my channel. So I'll have a video like probably every day for the next, I don't know, year or so, unless I get bored or I can't do it or whatever. Anything, if something happens to me, there'll be no more videos. But pretty much I got video for quite a while. I could take a break and do more stuff, but I'm always doing, so what I plan on doing in my garage, it's getting colder in here, so I'm gonna start cleaning stuff up and moving stuff. I have like a pile of boxes I gotta go through still. There's shit in my way everywhere because shit gets dropped off here. I hauled out some of the scrap. I got to go through a couple of bins, and I got to clean up along my door. I have sheet metal. I have no idea where the hell to put it all, and I have to clean out a spot on the other side so I can tuck sheet metal behind like a fake little wall I'm making. That means my air hose has to go higher up the wall because I want the bottom 4 feet just so I can tuck sheet metal on the wall. I bought a light for my garage door. My father-in-law has it. I'm going to be doing a video, me putting the light in the garage door. You'll see that in probably February. I got to clean up around my welding bench. I got to make a shelf for all my little anvils, because I want to get them off and up displayed somewhere. Mostly I'm trying to get this, doesn't look like it, but I'm trying to get this area cleaned out so I can do more work without setting the place on fire. Like I want to be able to weld in here in the winter. And heating wise, I still don't heat in the winter. I don't heat it. I don't even know why I even have a heater in here, but it gets cold, so I turn it on. I stay in here, but I'll still be making videos. I have a dresser I'm doing, and it's a mixture. Winter, it's a mixture of woodwork and stuff. I'm building a porch outside, so I might take a few pictures, but I don't really. I like to include my house in videos. So, what's this video up to now? So I try to. I got a lot of. I have a Wilton vise that I have to get back onto because it's been months. I work on it every couple of hours. I have a new vat of evapor rusting. I now own 4 Wilton vices. 4. Yeah, 4. My grinder stand's good. I got to clean it outside the bench. There's a vehicle back here I got to dig out. Just pretty much that's it. And I don't know. There's a few tools. Like there's a few arbor presses that I want to actually clean. I actually want to make a video, clean them up, and get at least 2 of them out of here because I don't need 4. One I have to put a little bracket on. I could probably sell it as is, but I'm probably just going to strip it down, give it a blast of paint, and then redo it nice because it deserves a good coat of paint. This one I'd like to take apart and repaint it a nice flashy green, dake. I've been getting tractor parts in, and I've been stockpiling tractor parts because the tractor out there. And this winter I might start taking pieces of it apart, bring it in here, stripping them, and just put primer on it because I think primer dries okay in the cold weather. I don't know. Does anybody know about primer? But if I can, I'm going to take the 2 back fenders off, probably take the entire front end of it off, fix the dog legs, weld it up, but keep it in primer, and then most likely put it back on in the spring. Or I'm going to do the rear fenders and the seat. There's a whole bunch of parts I'm going to take off. I'm just going to take them off and repaint. But I might save that for spring because then I can take it all off. I don't know. I haven't decided. I figure it might be better if I take it all off, clean it all off this winter. We'll put it in primer and just sit it in here. And then in the spring when it's nice and warm and not freezing, or I'll go to my father-in-law's garage and I'll just give it I'll make a painting rack and I'll just start painting pieces one at a time because I want to repaint the seat. I want to repaint all the handles on it. I want to repaint like as much as I can. I'm painting it red. I'm going to order some parts. So that's pretty much what's going on. And channel's picking up. I got, I don't got 1,000 bazillion trillion viewers. I don't got a ton of viewers. I have 227. Most of my viewers are people like you just passing by and watching my channel. I really wish more of you would just click subscribe. You don't ever have to come back. But it'd be cool if you did. But click subscribe, the hell with the bell. The bell's annoying. And just come watch my channel. Also, look below. I listed a few other channels that people have met on here. They're really cool. They got some cool stuff. And I have merch. Nobody except me has bought merch yet. So if you want to be the first, who knows, I could be super famous one day. You might like the glare on my head. You might want to buy a shirt. So thanks for watching and enjoy. Hopefully this little monologue or what the hell I'm talking about is worth listening to. Thanks for watching. Oh, and every time I do this, it's me shutting off the mic. Yeah.